Hi everyone and welcome to Magic in Minutes, where we share with you easy recipes which you can make with your home ingredients. I'm Shumita and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a classic cheesy appetizer, chili cheese toast. So let's begin. In a bowl, add the bell peppers, the grated processed cheese, some green chilies, freshly chopped coriander leaves, and now add some Maggi hot and sweet sauce. It's different. Mix all the ingredients nicely together. Now it's time to toast the bread. So in case you don't have a toaster, you can use a tawa to toast the bread. Spread the mixture on the toasted bread slices and top with mozzarella cheese. Now place the prepared bread slices onto an oven-safe tray and grill for 5 to 7 minutes or until the cheese on top melts. Well, the chili cheese toast is now ready to be cut into strips and served. I'm sure your kids and family will enjoy this easy, cheesy and tasty dish. Do remember to like and share this video and to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.